We tend to develop a very close relationship with many of our personal electronic devices, entrusting our valuable images, messages, and other data to them. No matter how small the cost of the device itself might be to us, because of this relationship, any harm caused to the device always pinches us hard. That's exactly the reason why there's such a huge market for accessories and services that protect our devices. With the rough use our tablets undergo, their sensitive screen is one of the most likely parts to get damaged. Our product today is a tried and tested screen protector meant for use with the iPad Air. Let's check out its many features and see why so many users have placed their trust in it to ensure the safety of their valuable iPads.
Here we go!
TechArmor's HD Clear is an affordable way to protect your screen of your iPad Air or iPad Air 2 from scratches, dust, drops, and daily wear. It can also be used with the new iPad 9.7. It is important that an effective screen protector does not hamper the device's performance while providing protection, and HD Clear ensures that by offering maximum clarity and complementing the visuals and functionality of the tablet's Retina display. It incorporates the True Touch technology that maintains the touchscreen accuracy of the iPad Air, ensuring that your hand gestures or stylus action are detected as they are meant to by the device's advanced screen. In fact, once you have installed the protector, the image clarity and the responsiveness would make you feel that there's nothing on the surface at all. TechArmor has established a strong brand value in protective gear by using top-of-the-line materials in their products, and the premium quality makeup of HD Clear conforms to this. You are not only assured of continued protection of the screen, but because of the durability of the material, you don't have to worry about replacement either. And in the small chance of there being any issue, TechArmor's products are backed by hassle-free product replacement warranty. A common issue experienced with most screen covers for phones and tablets is the bubbles left under the surface once you have placed the cover. With an innovative and easy installation system, HD Clear ensures that anyone is able to apply the protector without the hassle of bubbles. Using an effective screen protector like HD Clear has another benefit. The health of the screen is one of the prime factors that decide the resale value of your device. With a scratch-free, shining screen, you are ensuring that you get a premium over other used iPads when you want to exchange your tablet for a newer model a few years down the line. We had mentioned the trust placed in HD Clear by iPad users, and it's time to see how it has fared in terms of user feedback. It has earned a blockbuster average score of 4.3 on 5 stars from over 6,700 customer reviews, proving that the combination of functionality and affordability offered by HD Clear is a big hit with iPad Air users. That's all we have on the TechArmor HD Clear iPad Air screen protector for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews for other tablet accessories here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.